You guys, you can't get enough of this fish fried rice. It's so good. So keep watching and let's get started. First, you want to cook your fish. I'm using hagfish. You may use any fish of your choice. Now I'm going to add my chopped onions, garlic and ginger seasoning cube, salt and curry powder. I'm going to add water, cover and allow to cook for 8 to 10 minutes on a medium heat. 10 minutes later, I check on it and it's ready. I'm going to take it out from the stock. Now you can choose to air fry, grill or fry. I choose to fry. I'm going to preheat some vegetable oil and fry until golden brown.
Delicious.
Once that is done, it's time to cook my rice. In the same oil, I will add in my chopped onions, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, curry powder, and seasoning cube. Stir and allow to fry for 2 to 3 minutes to release the fragrance. Next, I'll add my parboiled rice. Stir and allow to toast for 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I'll add my fish stock. Stir and adjust the seasoning if needed. Next, I will cover with parchment paper cover and allow to cook on a medium heat until it dries up. At this time, I check on the rice and it has cooked really well. Now I'm going to set it aside. In another pot, I will add small oil and butter. Add some chopped onions, shrimps and all-purpose seasoning. Stir and allow to fry for 3 minutes. I'm going to scoop out the shrimps and add my carrot, green peas, bell peppers of different colors, sweet corn, and some all-purpose seasoning. Stir and begin to add my rice gradually. Next, I will add my shrimps and fried fish. You guys, this is premium enjoyment. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I'll keep mixing until well combined. And we are done. Honestly, you can't get enough of this goodness. It's so good, super delicious, and I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.